Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 19th of February 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 19th of February 2021. Our first question is India's first dolphin research center will be built in dash. Answer is option number 4 Patna. India's first and Asia's first dolphin research center will be built on the banks of the Ganga river in Patna, which is the capital of Bihar. Answer will be option number 4 Patna. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Look at map. This is Bihar. Capital is Patna. Governor is Fagu Chauhan. Chief Minister is Nitish Kumar. Its legislature has 243 plus 75 members. That is in Vidhan Sabha there are 243 and in Vidhan Parishad there are 75 members. 14 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 16 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Bihar. It borders with Nepal, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand and West Bengal, and Ganga, Gandak, Bagmati, Mahananda, Son and Kosi are the main rivers of Bihar. Next question. India's first toy fair will be organized by which of the following ministry? Options are Ministry of Textile, Education Ministry, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and all the above. Answer is option number 4, all the above. India's first toy fair will be organized by Ministry of Textile, Education Ministry and Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and it will be held virtually from February 27 to March 2nd, 2021, and the Government of India has recently launched a website for the India Toy Fair 2021. It will enable children, parents, teachers, exhibitors, etc. to register themselves to participate in the virtual fair, which will showcase various facts of the Indian toy ecosphere. Answer will be option number 4. Next question. Which of the following day is celebrated as National Productivity Day in India? Answer is option number 1, 12th February. National Productivity Day is observed every year in India on February 12. The objective of this day is to stimulate and promote productivity and quality consciousness across all sectors in the country and to encourage all stakeholders in the implementation of productivity tools and techniques with contemporary relevant themes. Answer will be option number 1. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Radio Day? Answer is option number 2, 13th February. Every year, 13th February is celebrated as World Radio Day. It is celebrated by UNESCO. It is celebrated by UNESCO to celebrate radio's broadcast, improve international cooperation among radio broadcasters, and encourage decision makers to create and promote access to information through radio, including community radios. Answer will be option number 2, 13th February. And theme for 2021's World Radio Day was New World, New Radio. New World, New Radio was the theme of 2021's World Radio Day. Next question is, which of the following country has recently test fired Babar, a short range surface to air ballistic missile? Answer is option number 4, Pakistan. Recently, Pakistan military has successfully test fired a short range surface to surface ballistic missile capable of hitting land and sea target with high precision up to 490 kilometers away. Answer will be option number 4, Pakistan, and it has been launched from surface of the ART multi-tube missile launch vehicle. Next, who among the following has recently unveiled India's first CNG powered tractor? Answer is option number 1, Nitin Gadkari. Union Road Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari has recently launched India's first CNG powered tractor and said that it will aid in making the farmers Atmanirbhar or self-reliant. A farmer has to spend nearly 3.5 lakh rupees every year on his diesel powered tractor, and the CNG tractor will reduce expenditure up to 55%. Answer will be option number 1, Nitin Gadkari. Next question is, Kempegowda International Airport is located in dash. Answer is option number 3, Bengaluru. It is also called the Bangalore International Airport Limited or Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru, and it has recently bagged global recognition from the Airports Council International World's Voice of the Customer Award, and the Voice of the Customer Award recognizes airports that continue to prioritize their customers and remain committed to ensuring that their voices was heard during the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020. Next, Akhtar Ali has recently died at the age of 81. He was associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 1, tennis. He was the member of Indian team in Davis Cup continuously from 1958 to 1964 and captain of the Indian Davis Cup in 2008, and recently he has died at the age of 81. Answer will be option number 1. Next, which of the following state government has recently launched SAS SAS campaign with the aim of reducing infant mortality due to pneumonia? Answer is option number 3, Madhya Pradesh. The Health Department of Madhya Pradesh has recently launched the SAS campaign, or Social Awareness and Action to Neutralize Pneumonia Successfully campaign, with the aim of reducing infant mortality due to pneumonia. Answer will be option number 3, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, look at map. This is Madhya Pradesh. Capital is Bhopal. Governor is Anandabhen Patel. CM is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Its legislature has 230 members and 29 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 11 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Madhya Pradesh. It is the second state in India according to area and fifth by population in India. It borders with UP, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan, and Ganga, Godavari, Galti, Narmada, Mahi are the main rivers of Madhya Pradesh. Next question is, Dr. Onkojo Iweala has recently appointed as the first female director of Dash. Answer is option number 2, WTO, or World Trade Organization. World Trade Organization is an intergovernmental organization that is concerned with the regulation of international trade between nations. It was formed on 1st of January 1995. 1st of January 1995. Its headquarters is in Geneva, which is in Switzerland, and recently Dr. Onkojo Iweala has been appointed as the first female director of World Trade Organization. She has become the first woman and the first African to become the Director General of WTO. Answer will be option number 2. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which of the following institute has recently developed a 9mm machine pistol called ASMI? Answer is option number 4, DRDO. Recently, DRDO, or Defense Research and Development Organization, has developed a 9mm machine pistol called ASMI. Now today's question is, which of the following country has topped the medal tally at the first Asia Online Shooting Championship? Options are China, Kuwait, Japan and India. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.